Hey guys, it's AcidMonkeys49 here with a quick video on my friend's Mattninja's, I guess, puzzle. So, anyway, here's where you enter, so I'm going to try and figure it out. Okay, that's not normal. Over across. Nope, that was about to go. There we go. What do I do now? Oh. I'm winning. Nope. That was easy, I guess. Oh, did not mean to do that. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys.